Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Boyd and I am going to go over some kindergarten math curriculum that your child is going to see this year in kindergarten. So it's broken down by different quarters. So I am going to go to the next page and talk to you about quarter one. All right, quarter one, we have rote counting to 25. That's counting by ones. Basic measurement, knowing short, tall, longer, or shorter. Positional words, being able to say that the pencil is above the table. My feet are below my desk. I am in front of the wall. I am behind a chair. And I am next to a pencil sharpener. Those are some ways that we can use that in vocabulary. Identifying shapes, square, circle, triangle, rectangle, hexagon. Also sorting by size, color, and shape, and then matching sets of objects up to 5. So that's kind of what your child is going to be expected to learn for the first quarter in math. Now I'm going to move on to quarter 2. It is rote counting to 50, but this is also going to be by ones and by tens. So that would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we're going to move on up to matching sets of objects to 10, writing their numbers 1 through 10, counting objects to 10, and now identifying those 2D shapes and 3D shapes, which include cylinders, a sphere, a cube, and a cone. So those are the 4 ones that they will be comparing and identifying. Now, in quarter 3, we're going to be rote counting to 70, and this is also by ones and by tens. Counting on, so for example, if I said 42, your child would be able to start at 42 and count on. Comparing sets of objects and numbers up to 20. Represent addition to 5 with objects and numbers, and then decomposing numbers less than or equal to 10. And remember, this is the second half of the year. In quarter 4, by the end of kindergarten, students should be able to rote count to 100 by ones and tens. They also should be able to represent addition and subtraction with objects and numbers to 10, and addition and subtraction word problems to 10. Also making 10, partners of 10, and then the missing add-in problems. So this is kind of just a nutshell of what we are going to talk about in kindergarten. Like I said, it is by quarters, so it does build upon each other. And if you have any questions about the math curriculum, please feel free to submit a question in our frequently asked question email.